EA Sports, it's not in the game. Apparently not. EA stock just got hammered. 17% dip in a single stock. That indicates something is seriously wrong or a great buying opportunity. Let's take a look and see which one. So let's take a look at the story here, okay, and see if it's overhyped or if it's just an overreaction by the market, right? So what happens? Look at this. A 17-point drop from there to there. Oh my goodness. A 17% drop. Sorry, 17% drop. Normally, a drop like that indicates some serious problems. Let's find out what happened. EA cuts 2025 bookings forecast as prominent soccer titles stumbles. And I'll leave a link in the description below to this article so you guys can take a look at it. Video game, I won't read this whole thing, but we'll just get the highlights. EA Sports, EA Art, Electronic Arts, right, EA Arts, cut its forecast for annual bookings, citing weakness in the soccer franchise, sparking concerns of a slowdown in the key sports division. Okay, so growth in the what we call soccer business, but what the world calls global football business, sputtered toward the end of the third quarter after 2 consecutive fiscal years of double-digit net booking increase. So 2 years of double-digit net booking increase. Dragon Age and EA Sports FC25 underperformed net booking expectations in the third quarter, says the CEO, okay, revealing sluggish demand for one of the company's most notable and valuable titles. This is in contrast to a larger trend of gamers with tighter budgets, sticking to long-running online games. The EA Sports FC25 is among the more popular sports title. All right, so what happened? Okay, so let's see what they forecast. Okay, so the company estimated fiscal 2025 net bookings in the range of $7 billion to $7.15 billion, down from its earlier forecast between $7.5 billion to $7.8 billion. So basically, instead of the forecast going from $7.5 billion to $7.8 billion, they said, oh, well, we'll just be doing $7 billion to $7.15 billion. Instead of billions and billions of dollars, we're just going to do billions and billions of dollars. I mean, it's a significant decrease, is it? From 7 to 7.15? But we thought we were going to do 7.5 to 7.8 billion, but we're kind of thinking now we're going to do 7 billion to 7.15 billion. Is that a huge deal? Apparently it is. It's swinging back and forth, but what does that mean? What does that mean exactly? What does that mean to earnings, right? To earnings, to overall earnings, not just these sports titles. I understand the FC thing is important, whatever, but let's dig deeper. Analysts were expecting 7.69 billion. Okay, so we're talking about a $690 million change. Okay, which is significant. Don't discount that. But in September 2023, EA Sports launched its first FC, soccer game without the FIFA tag, hoping the titles will maintain the momentum. Okay, just because it didn't have the FIFA tag, it looks like it went down. Company shares were last down almost 7% to erase nearly $4 billion market valuation. So now they're like, oh, this is happening to our soccer titles. What if this happens to our football titles? Oh man, Madden. What about Madden? And then now we have this new thing for the college, right? For the college football game. Widespread investor worries have also emerged over EA's push into the college football, eating into the sales of the new Madden title. The company had launched a bundle featuring both games, hoping to address the concerns. The shortfall is mostly due to the introduction of college football, which was phenomenally successful, but likely caused some cannibalization of the Madden title. In preliminary results, EA said it expects net bookings of 2.2 billion, below its earlier of 2.4 to 2.5. Come on. Analysts on average were expecting 2.51. So 2.22, analysts were expecting 2.51. But look at this. EA, here, look at this. EA expects earnings of $1.11 per share, in line with estimates. It had earlier projected earnings per share between 85 cents to 102. The company report third quarter financials on February 4th. So look at this. This is the bottom line. EA expects earnings of $1.11 per share, in line with estimates. So basically, what it all comes down to is, oh, our earnings, we expect our earnings to be what we thought they'd be, despite all this stuff happening with the football and the soccer titles. So it seems like people are freaking out because, oh, the soccer titles, the college titles, their bookings are down. But they're still making the same amount of money, it looks like, from earnings. They think they're going to. They will say on February 4th, let's take a look, when that day comes. But, let's look at their financials real quick. So here's the disaster day, right? Looks like on January 23rd, 24th, something like that. But let's look at we're not going to do a deep dive unless, leave me a comment below you want me to do a deep dive on EA stocks. Let's just go straight to the financials. Let's look at the money. Income statement, look at this, guys. 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, everything is going up, right? Total revenue, right? They're making money. Operating income, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, trailing 12 months. So this is what they're scared of, right? Oh, we've been going up so high, but our trailing 12 months is not higher than it was, okay? Expenses are going up a little bit, but not too bad. Okay, so net income from continuing operations, look at that, up, a little bit down. So that's what people are freaking on. That's not a big deal to me. The fundamentals have not changed. The balance sheet. Okay, let's look at the balance sheet. How much assets we got? Okay, assets. It's in line. Let's see here. Total debt. It's in line. Nothing going up too crazy. Total capitalization, up. Well, not up. So in line. Not a big deal. And then let's look at cash flow, the almighty cash flow. Operating cash flow. Bump. Look at that. Big time jump. From a big time jump from there, 2023, look at that. They almost doubled their operating cash flow in 2024, and they're complaining, oh, but the trailing 12 months for 2025 is just lower. So they're making less billions than they made last year. And the free cash flow, all right, look at this. Down, up, big time jump from 23 to 24. And, if there's such a big jump from one year to another, you can't expect that growth to happen every year, right? So look at that. To me, this is a no-brainer. So I jumped in, grabbed a 17% discounted stock. Am I dumb? Hey, don't listen to me. I don't know anything. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't listen to anybody on the internet, right? But what do you think? A stock that's this well-known, right, EA Sports, right, Electronic Arts, that has such a good cash flow, that's cash flowing out really good, good earnings. Let's look at their earnings real quick. Fourth quarter of 23 is 290, 180 million, 280 million, 294. Okay, so earnings from the beginning of the year are going up, okay? First quarter 24, second quarter 24, from 182 to 280. That's huge. Almost 100 million. And then another from 280 million to 294 million. And then they're going to not make that this year? Come on, man. I think, in my personal opinion now, this is my opinion, it doesn't mean anything, right, like we said before. My personal opinion, this is an opportunity. All right, so their PE is a little bit high at 29.89. Price to earnings, it's a little bit expensive. All right, so there you have it. A quick take on what happened to EA Sports, EA Entertainment, EA Stock, whatever, Electronic Arts Entertainment. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. You think this is a You think this is a overblown, exaggerated reaction? Or you think this is like, hold on, now this company's fixing to go under, or whatever. This company's on tapping the brakes and whatever. I don't know. I don't think so. I think that you know a meteoric rise from last year, and then it's not going to make as much as it did as far as bookings, but the earnings are in line. I don't know. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Anyways, I bought some. Maybe you bought some. Leave me a comment. You buying some? You're not buying some? I'm crazy. I don't know what I'm talking about. Or yes, this makes sense. Tell me what you think. Appreciate your comments. Thanks for watching. And as always, I wish you much success in your finances and in life. Peace out.